Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhindari East. Subject Applied Mathematics. Name of faculty myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter number is 9 for mechanical engineer student only. Probability distribution. A unbased coin is tossed 5 times. Find the probability of getting 3 heads. N is equal to 5, P is equal to 1 upon 2, Q is equal to 1 upon 2, R is equal to 3. P of R is equal to NCR, P raised to R, Q raised to N minus R. P in bracket 3 is equal to 5C3, 1 upon 2 raised to 3, 1 upon 2, 5 minus 3. P of 3 is equal to 10 upon 32 or 1.562. A person fires 10 shots at the target. The probability that any shot will hit the target 3 upon 5. Find the probability that the target is hit exactly 5 times. N is equal to 10, P is equal to 3 upon 5, Q 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 3 upon 5, is equal to 2 upon 5. R 5. P in bracket R is equal to NCR, P raised to R, Q raised to N minus R. We have to substitute R is equal to 5, 10C5, 3 upon 5 raised to 5, 2 upon 5, 10 minus 5. After simplifying using the calculator 82FXMS, that is 0.2770. 10% of the component manufactured by company are defective. If 12 components selected at random, find the probability that at least 2 will defective. P is equal to 10%, 10 upon 100, 0.1. N is equal to 12 and Q is equal to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus, it is P is what here? We have to have either how many percent we have to consider? 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9. P is in bracket R is equal to NCR, P raised to R, Q raised to N minus R. P at least 2, 1 minus P in bracket 0 plus P in bracket 1, bracket complete. We have to substitute the values in this expression. R is equal to, we have to find it is at least 2. Here we have to find the 0 and 1 probability. Be careful, R is equal to 1 and here R is equal to 1. 12C0, 0.1 raised to 0, 0.9 raised to 12 minus 0. 12C1, 0.1 raised to 1, 0.9 raised to 12 minus 1. Any number raised to 0 is always 1. Any number raised to 1, that number remains as the same. Using law of indices and using 82FXMX calculator, we have to define 0.3409 is the final value for the probability that at least 2 will be defective. Now probability distribution part number 2, Poisson distribution. Poisson is the name of French mathematician on the Dulles Poisson 1781-1840 and it's published 1837. Poisson distribution was named after the French mathematician Simon Davis Poisson. Will discovered it. Poisson distribution is discrete distribution. Poisson distribution is limited case of the binomial distribution under the following condition. First one, n, the number of independent trials is the indefinitely large, that is n tends to infinity, and P, the constant probability of success in each trial is very small. P tends to 0. N into P is equal to lambda is finite where lambda is any positive number. Definition: a discrete random variable capital X is said to have a Poisson distribution if the probability of mass function P in bracket X is P in bracket capital X is equal to X e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to X upon X factorial. X is equal to 0, 1, 2 for some lambda greater than 0 and the lambda is the parameter of the Poisson distribution. Constant of the Poisson distribution, mean is equal to lambda, variance is equal to lambda and standard deviation is equal to under square root lambda. Examples of Poisson distribution: number of printing mistake in each book or page of book, the number of suicide reported in particular city in particular month, the number of road accident at particular junction per month, the number of child born blind per year in a hospital. Poisson distribution examples: if the mean of Poisson distribution is 2, find p in bracket x equal to 0. We have p in bracket x equal to x is equal to e raised to lambda lambda raised to x upon x factorial. Lambda means mean is cancelled. Lambda is equal to 2, p in bracket x is equal to 0, e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial. We know that 0 factorial is 1, 2 raised to 0 is 1, final answer e raised to minus 2. Second example, if the mean of Poisson distribution is 4, find the value of variance and standard deviation. Given mean is lambda is equal to 4, variance lambda is equal to 4. Therefore, standard deviation is square root of lambda, square root of 4 is 2. If in a Poisson distribution, if the variance is 2, p is equal to 1 upon 100, what is n? We know that lambda is equal to n into p. Lambda 2 p 1 upon 100, 2 is equal to n into 1 upon 100, n is equal to 200 is the final answer. In a Poisson distribution, p is equal in bracket x equal to 3 equal to p in bracket x equal to 2, find p in bracket x equal to 0. Solution: p in bracket x equal to 3, p in bracket x equal to 2. We know p in bracket x equal to x, e raised to minus lambda lambda raised to x upon x factorial. We have given condition p is bracket x equal to 3 is equal to p in bracket x equal to 2. These probability are equal. That's why we have to put the value of here x is 3 and 2 in the given expression of Poisson distribution, e raised to minus lambda lambda raised to 3 upon 3 factorial is equal to e raised to minus lambda lambda raised to 2 upon 2 factorial. We have lambda upon into 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 1 into 1 into 2. What happened? Lambda e raised to minus lambda, these will get cancelled. Lambda cube and lambda square, 1 lambda remaining, all these get cancelled. 2 factorials 1 into 2, 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1. Therefore, simplifying, we get lambda is equal to 3 because 1 and 2 will also get cancelled. 3 goes this side, lambda is equal to 3. Now we have to put p is equal in bracket x equal to 0. So p in bracket x equal to 0, e raised to minus 3, 3 raised to 0 upon 0 factor. We have to substitute the value of lambda is 3, value of x is 0. We derive e raised to minus 3 is the final answer of p in bracket x is equal to 0. 10% of the screw produced by an automobile machine are defective. Find the probability that out of the 15 screws selected at random, 3 are defective. P denote probability of defective screw. P is equal to 10% is given. 10 upon 100, 1 upon 10. N is equal to 15. Lambda is equal to n into p. 15 into 1 upon 100, 3 by 2. 3 by 2, it is 1.5. So x denote the number of defective screw. P in bracket x equal to 3 are the defective p's. E raised to minus 1 upon 3, 1 upon 1.3, that is 1 upon 3, no, 3 upon 2, that is 1.5 into 1.5 raised to 3 upon 3 factorial. Simplify, we get 0.1255. P in bracket x equal to x, e raised to minus lambda lambda raised to x upon x factorial. Probability of 3 screws to be defective 0.1255 is the final answer. If 20% of the bolt produced by a machine are defective, find the probability that out of 4 bolts drawn, 1 is defective, at most 2 are defective. This we have to solve. P is 20% is given, 20 upon 100 0.2. N is equal to 4 is given, Q is equal to 1 minus P 0.8 is given. P in bracket R, NCR, P raised to R, Q raised to N minus R. This is the example of which distribution? Yes, it is exactly the binomial distribution. P in bracket 1 is defective, P 4C1 0.21, 2 raised to 1 0.8 raised to 4 minus 1 0.4096. P in bracket most 2 are defective, P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Instead of the R 0, 1, 2, remaining types are same 0.9728. If the x is the Poisson variable with p in bracket x equal to 2, 2 upon 3, p in bracket x equal to 1. It is the condition already given. Find p in bracket x equal to 3 and p in bracket x equal to 0. We have p in bracket x equal to 2 is equal to 2 upon 3, p in bracket x equal to 1. Simplify. P in bracket x equal to x e raised to lambda, lambda raised to x upon x factorial. We have to put what condition? Here 2 is given, here 1 is given. So that's why comparing e raised to minus lambda, lambda square upon 2 factorial, 2 upon 3 constant is given. E raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to 1 upon 1 factorial. We know that 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 1 factorial is 1. So lambda square and lambda, 1 lambda is remaining. E raised to minus lambda get cancelled. Lambda upon 1 upon into 2 is 2 upon 3. Simplifying, lambda is equal to 4 upon 3. We have to find p in bracket x equal to 3. So e raised to minus 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3 raised to q upon 3, where lambda is 4 by 3 and x is equal to, small x is equal to 3. Simplify, e raised 4 raised to 3, e raised to minus 4 by 3, because the 3 is cube we have to consider, and it is 3 cube upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1, 3 raised to cube, it is 27. Simplify, we have to derive p x is equal to 3, 32 upon 81 e raised to minus 4 by 3. Using 82fx mx scientific calculator 0.0998. So p in bracket x equal to 0, we have to put instead of x is 0, e raised to minus 4 by 3, 4 upon 3, 4, 0 factorial is 1. So 4 by 3 e raised to minus 4 by 3 is 0.2725 is the final answer. On an average of 2% of the population in area suffer from the TB, what is the probability of 5% chosen at random from this area at least 2 suffer from the TB? N is equal to 5, P is equal to 2%, 2 upon 100, 0.02. Mean M is equal to N into P. M is equal to 5 into 0.02, 0.1. P in bracket R is equal to e raised to minus M raised to R upon R factorial. At least 2 means 0 and 1 probability we have to find. P in bracket at least 2 is equal to 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1. 1 minus e raised to minus 0.1, 0.1 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, e raised to minus 0.1, 0.1 raised to 1, 1 upon factorial. That is 1 factorial is 1, 0 factorial is 1. So that's why final answer 0.047. The probability of electric bulb defective from the manufacturing unit is 0.02. In a box of 200 electric bulbs, find the probability that exactly 4 bulbs are defective, more than 3 bulbs are defective. P denote the probability of one bulb is defective. P is 0.02 is already given. N is equal to 200. Lambda is equal to N into P. 200 into 0.02 is 4. X denote the number of defective bulb. P in bracket x is equal to 4 e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to x upon x factorial. It is the Poisson distribution. We have to, instead of lambda 4 we have to put e raised to minus 4 256 upon 24. So we, in this way we have the definition is cancelled. More than 3 bulbs we have to solve. So we have to take the example based on this better. 2% in the electric bulb manufactured by company are defective. Find the probability in the sample of 100 bulbs. 3 are defective, at least 2 are defective. 2%, 0.02, n is equal to 100. Mean is equal to m is equal to n into p. M is equal to 100 into 0.022. Poisson distribution we have to define 3 bulbs R is equal to 3. P in bracket 3 e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 3 upon 3 factorial is 0.1804. At least 2 are defective. 1 minus P of 0, P of 1. E raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 0, e raised to minus 2, 2 raised to 1, 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 0.5939 is the at least 2 are defective, and if at least 3 bulbs are defective, we have to define 0.1804 is the final answer we have to derive in this example. So 2% at least words is there, so 1 minus p of 0 p of 1. Lecture is over.